Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder features. To know how to fix or to solve Tinder features, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list of apps, you will go to the application of Tinder and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store. You will find the uninstall here. You will wait a moment and you can install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.